boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Daniel Seavey. Long time no see, but he's great, so he's back again. Time to Time. That's the title of the song, Annie. So, Time to Time, Annie. I just want to mention my second YouTube channel. If you haven't checked out that yet, it's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 turns ago. Link up here to my left. You're going to play a full song there from A to Z. I'm going to show you the chords, and it's a full playthrough. You can just follow along and learn it. Now, let's go into this song. So, it's a capo fourth, and we have 4 different chords. So, the number here is 4. So, yeah. Let's go into this with the chords. We're going to play F to G to C to A minor. That's played throughout the song. So F first is a bar chord. So play the index finger on the first fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. From that, you're going to go to G, and you have 2 options here. Either you go with the exact same grip and just slide up to this position, 2 frets inwards. You align with the index finger on the 3rd fret. Everything else follows there, 5th A, 5th D, and 4th G added, and that is the G. Perhaps you don't like bar chords, so you want to have just the maximum 1, and that is what you're gonna get with the F. Then you can go with this version of G instead. So it's up to you to choose whether you want this or this, which goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Either way it goes, and now we're gonna go into the next chord, which is a C, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, a very easy transition to A minor. You just take the ring finger from the 3rd fret A and put it under your mid finger on the 2nd fret G string. So that gives us open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So that is the chord progression: F, G, C, A minor. We're going to handle this with just straight downs. You're going to play F, 7 downs, G, 9, C, 7, A minor 9. So slowly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, C, A minor. Speed up just a tad, and you're gonna hit that same tempo, and that is how you play it from beginning till the end. Doesn't have to be harder than that. Okay, guys, I love to do these tutorials. Help me out, give me more motivation. Subscribe and leave me a like on this one, and be back for next time. And don't forget, Gruvgear Guitar 6 turns ago. Whew, I just had to mention it again. Thank you so much, and play tuned.